Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to create a new React Native project for your Android app. Okay, so I will start from scratch, and this video is for those people who don't have any setup knowledge like that. Okay, it's not an advanced topic, just the basic one. So simply go to your web browser, type React Native, and once you get this, click on this link, this React Native framework, and we'll go to get started. So click here, and here you will see that it is having some information about this expose CLI. So basically it's like a command line tool for your React Native project. So this is how it will. You first need to copy this and install in your system first. So I will just search over here, command prompt, paste it, press enter. So it's already installed in my system, so I'm not repeating the same step. Okay, and after that, so once this installation process is done, what you need is you can use this command to create your new project. So basically, before diving into this particular part, I would like to tell you that you need to have your Node.js installed in this. So if you click on this link, you will get this download option for your Windows, Macintosh, and other versions. The source code is there. Okay, so let's create a new project with export this awesome minute. So I want to create a new project here, so I would create a new folder. Let's name it demo project. Now I will do shift plus right click, and it will let me open the PowerShell in this particular directory. So you don't need to go in the command prompt, copy that whole directory path and do that change directory and all those things. It will, you can see simply this will come over here, and I'll put this link. Now I want to give it some different name. Let it be demo project. So whatever project name you want to give, you can keep it. Install this. Once you hit the enter button, it will start the installation process. Like it will create the dependency, it will download the dependencies in your project folder, whatever it is necessary to run the project, and do the initial setup. Okay, so it will take some time, so let me pause this and then I will again come back. So okay, before that, there is something like what kind of template you want to start with. It's a blank with TypeScript or tabs. So basically I prefer keeping it blank because I want to put my own design. In tabs you will get a tab kind of scaffolding in the footer. There will be 3 tabs, you can navigate using those tabs. Okay, so I will go with the blank one. Okay, so I will press enter over here, and it will ask me the project name. So here in this project name, I will give it a name like simply demo and then project. That's it. It's installing the dependencies. So let's see. So once this entire setup is done, this you can see over here, there's some command like cd. You can navigate to the particular directory, paste, click here, and can start. So once you put this, it will start the project. So here it's opening the window, like, and here one QR code will appear in this section. See, this is the QR code. So to test this app, okay, like what is the interface and all, what you need to do, if you are an Android user or iOS user, you need to install that app. Okay, that app is Expo. So once you install the app, so there will be an option in the home screen that will let me show you what is the app. Google Play. So this is the app which you need to install, and once this app is installed in your system, like in your Android device, I'm not getting the particular screenshot over here, it will let you scan this QR code. Okay, so once you scan this particular QR code, what it will do, it will like show you the actual app view in your mobile. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work, and this is only the basic setup. So if you are connected with LAN, so suppose your mobile device is connected with the same internet connection, like you are having a router, your computer is also connected to that router, and your mobile phone is also connected to the same router, then using this scan ID you can like easily test the app, that how it really looks in your mobile. Okay, but otherwise, like if your mobile is on the like self internet connection, like it is running on its own network connection, internet connection, and your system is connected with some different internet connection, so for that you can use this tunnel option. So once you click on this tunnel, this will open this port. Okay, and it will create a new like a URL, you can say, that will have access to your project. So this is how it's gonna work. Just let me know in the comments that it's working or not, and if you are facing some issue, then I would like to help you out. Okay, so that's for now. Thank you.